What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Rockin' with the AP channel.
Yes, y'all. So today we're doing an adventurous activity. We're doing the Mud Dash Tampa 2022.
Yes, sir.
It's an obstacle course where we're gonna be, climbing over hurdles, going under hurdles, going in the mud, having fun, running, testing our endurance, y'all.
Dirty.
So it's a lot of people out right here right now. Look like they just getting started with one little race.
Yep.
So y'all, we just got our t-shirts. We just checked in, y'all. We about to get ready to run. So we're gonna see y'all at the start line.
Yep, y'all about to get real dirty.
Got to get real dirty. We got the crew here, y'all. We about to get ready to race. Finisher, Muddy Dash 2022. We'll see you in about 30 minutes.
Let's go, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna push you the whole way. Hold on tight. Let's go. Oh, look. Golly. Come on. Oh, wet, y'all. There you go. Damn. Where do I want to go? Come on, baby. Here we go. Well, Harlem was going underwater. Damn. I really got it. How was that, baby?
It was a cool down.
Yeah, it was cool down.
But it was muddy.
Look at her. Look like she got poop right there. You got it. Come on. She go under. Come on. Thank you, guys. Water. You got it. Teamwork, make the dream work, baby. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Y'all look at this butt. Mud game 2022. Back to it we go, y'all.